channel. This is Adefikayo, and in this video I'm going to be showing you multiple ways to style your braids. There is no logical reason why anybody should have braids in and style it the same way every day. Are you not tired? Huh? Let's start normal. Let's start easy. So this is simple. This is it. This is the length of my braids. It's just above my boobs. This is the length of my braids. And I wanted short braids on purpose because I didn't want the whole hassle with long braids, the tangling, and also the heaviness by the time your braids begin to get old. I've had these braids in for about 2 weeks, and all I can say is my braider, she did a great job. So yes, this is one. I don't know if this counts as one, but it's just giving it a side swoop. This is easy. This is easy. This is what you're always doing every day. Abby, change your ways. A center pattern never goes out of style. For some people, it really suits them. They love it. They can lie on it. They would never do any other type of pattern. It took me a while to warm up to this style. I didn't like it initially, but thank you to Auntie Osas. She was the hairstylist that made me make one weaving. Is it weaving? A sew-in one time like that. It was center pattern, and that was the time I realized that center pattern do fit me sometimes. So yes, this is it, and this is what the majority of the world just does. Because why would you have beautiful hair and just keep doing this all the time? For me, braids is like my second type of hair. Aside carrying my real hair, I love braids because the same way I style my real hair every day, I switch up the look every now and then. That is what I do with my braids. So let's get into look 3. For my babes that work in offices and they don't want their hair everywhere, or for example, I'm a nurse and I can't have my hair everywhere, you know. So when I'm going to work, there are certain ways that I just style my hair so everything looks put together, and then when I'm out, I let out the real me. Anyway, so let's just do something simple. We're going to be leaving out 1 or 2. I'm just leaving out 1 since it already has the whole boho detail to it, and I don't want it to be too busy. So let's leave out 1 each, right? And then you pack your hair upwards, just a little. I don't know if you can see the back of my head. Upwards. Probably cannot. I shall turn around for you to see what it looks like at the back. You see? So this is what we have. Simple, classy. Let's go to the next one. Something like this, right? But for you people that like side pattern, and also if you don't want anything on your face at all, this is the one for you. Take out the band. Select which side of your face you prefer. Yes, select which side of your face you prefer. So I don't know if I prefer any side of my face, but let's just say today we're going to be doing this side, right? So this is what we have. Just take out a little section in front before you pack the rest backward. Just wait, you will understand. So you've taken out this part. Right? Still not too high, just in the middle. Just directly at the back of your head. You pack it. Now, for some people, this is already a look. This is already a style. But that's not the finished look here because we are trying to get it all together, get it neatly styled together. But this is a look. So now we take this, swoop it gently, right? You use your hands to secure it here. If you have pins, yeah, pins, any type of pin, I guess, could work. Let me just use this pink one just to secure it so that it doesn't move out of place, right? So let's just have this here, right? Now this goes into, can you see the band? Yes, it goes into that side of the band. So now that it is in, we can then pack it all together at the back the same way we folded in the last one into a extra piece of elastic band. That's what we're doing. And now we folded that as well. So here is what we have. If you keep having flyaways like this, you can just keep putting it in. Yeah. So here is the finished look. I look cute. I look put together. I look like I'm on the cover of Forbes on the 30, on the 20, on the 25. Yes, you know, you're going for an official dinner or a conference. You know, you're trying to look like a bougie babe. This is it. This is the one. Now that is out, you could also do this if you're one of those people that are, you know, creative and can weave their hair. So let's just say you take one, let's say, how many lines do we leave out? How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5 is okay. And you just twist it on top of each other. I think you would have appreciated this better when I freshly made my hair. Right? You twist it on top of each other and then use the last one to tie it together. You can get your hair totally off your face. If you still want to do it full, if you have the patience for that, but I don't think I'll be showing you that in this video, but you already get the idea. So this is what we are working with. So for the next one, take a little piece of the hair and have that out. We're going to be doing a side swoop here, so let's just have a little bit out and then the rest goes up. And now I mean up, not just backwards, upwards. And it is secured, right? This is a look on its own, but this is not the look we are going for. Let's keep going. Make the soup however you want it. Take the excess, put it in the elastic band at the back of the hair. And there it is. Now you make your bun. To whatever you want. But do you see how put together I look? Now imagine I have a crown and I just place a crown here. That is a look, okay? Simple, easy. This is easy. On to the next one, and this is what we're gonna have. So cute, so cute. And that is it. This is it. Next, to style everything upwards and have a false fringe, I'm going to have to take it all out to achieve this. So we do this, add this, right? Midway from the back actually, and keep coming. So just try and sort out how much do you want the fringe to be. Do you want it to be really full? Let's try and see how we can make that work. Right now that I have this, then I'll just take the rest, keep going round, come back on top of this, on top of the fringe that I already determined that this is what I'm leaving out. you can now take a longer strand because that would help you to secure it, or if you have an elastic band or thread or whatever to secure it, but I just use my hair to style my hair. So this is it, and now you have your fringe. You can decide to then make the fringe as full as you want. If you don't like some strands, you can take that out. Just keep putting it back into the rest of the bun. But yeah, so this is the fringe. Now you can also make the fringe a side affair, okay? If you don't want the hair all over your face, you can just redirect the direction. Is that it? Redirect it or reposition it to fall to the side and not just all over the center of your face. And this is what we're going to be having. Cute, simple. You see how we just killed two birds with one stone? Let's keep going. I think this is a pretty common look. This is a pretty common look when it comes to styling braids. It is easy, it is fast, it is reliable, it has been tested and trusted. This is it. So cute. On to the next. This up already, and I just want to kill two birds with one stone. Again, just calculate, follow the paths that your hairstylist made on your hair with your fingers, and just pull out some that would fall out of the bun. So now we have this up and all of this down, right? Can you see? Stop distracting me. So all of this is down, and yes, this is a new look, right? Right now we take this up. And then we have this. So if you don't want this to look too busy on top of the rest of the hair that is down, you can just have a high bun. If you want the curls to still dangle around, you can do that yourself. So you can just have the high bun and then the rest of the hair that you let out. Back in the spirit of not having hair all over your body, we can go with space buns, right? If you've watched this video so far and you're not yet subscribed, why? Please subscribe, click on the notification bell so that you are aware whenever I post a video. So we can go with the basic, space bun. Just take your hair, divide it into two on both sides, into two halves, right? And then you go this way. This is a look for some people, but I just feel that in some settings I might, no longer be a baby. So let's go a little bit up, okay? So we take this and then we begin to twist. And when we get to the front, we let out some curls like this. For those who do not really like their, center pattern, then we can just do that to the side. And also, yes, and you can just do that to the side. And if you want, you can just bring out one or two strands. Bring it out a little so that it is easy to remove the strands. So here you can take it and then turn it around this bone you already have, and there you have it. For the rest of the video, you might be having automatic background music because someone has decided to start playing loud music. So, but here it is. Let's go to the next look.